Hey, good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, September 28th. Looking at what's going on here, we have a bunch of 8:30 numbers. You can see that it is right now at 8:30. Those numbers are just now coming in. Final GDP quarter on quarter expected is 2.2, came in at 2.1. Not a huge miss, and actually that's a good thing to see the GDP slightly lower than expected. Unemployment claims at 204,000. Remember, anything around 200,000 is really good for the economy. So the employment situation is super good, continues to be super good, which means the Fed's going to be watching. Final GDP price quarter on quarter, 1.7% expected, 2.0, so slightly less than expected. 9 a.m. we have FOMC member Goolsbee speaking. 10 a.m. we have pending home sales, which I always watch because home sales as well as home construction is very, very important because it feeds so many different industries everywhere. It's not just in one particular area. It's everywhere. 10:30 we have natural gas storage, and at 1 p.m. we have FOMC member Cook speaking. 4 o'clock, interesting. 4 o'clock, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. The markets will be closed, so there won't be any reaction. Um, it only reaction we'll have is after market, which will be thin markets, very, very ugly. I would not bother with trading this. Um, Wait until the next morning to trade that, but it'll still be wild, but remember, it'll be after the market closes, and it'll only be available for aftermarket trading. Uh, Looking at the daily chart, let's see here, daily chart. You can see that we're still holding this lower side of this. Looks almost like a channel here. So this may be a bottom. Anytime you have a tail candle like that, it certainly looks like it could be a bottom there because we had a reversal. Now, whether or not that will actually hold or not will be interesting. Now, we tried to open down, or we're trying, but we're spiking back up. We're at the highs, overnight highs. So where can we go today? I think we could easily go back to that low volume area, 30, 43, 38.50. If we get now, it could easily get going. Where's the next spot? Probably right there, 40, 43.54. I think that's a stretch, but it is certainly possible. Nice bounce yesterday. Where can we go on the downside? Obviously, excuse me, got a cold. Um, we could obviously test this low, the previous low, yesterday's low, and that low volume node is also at 42.79. So, and I don't know that we're going to test that. I actually would be thinking lows probably be closer to 42.91. Um, but you can see we've got some really big days in the past, so it's not unlikely that we can have a range expansion day. Taking a look at the inventory. So inventory, um, kind of interesting here. Let's draw some lines. So we had price actually was up. Actually, we need to move that one more. Price was actually up on the day, and inventory, so we're correlated. And I think that your bottom fishers are now certainly very, very happy. Now we'll have to see what happens. Now we'll have to see if these are all the early people getting in. Maybe now we have a turnaround. Maybe they'll get going today, and we'll see follow through. But correlated, so nothing really to worry about. Let's see, intraday. Intraday support and resistance. Now, these are the 8:30 numbers. You see how the market did like that. Let's see. So we are above the overnight high. Let's see what the range is. 20 overnight 28 to 02. That's 26 points. maybe just slightly more than normal. Normal seems to be between 20, 22 points, so nothing really of interest there. Where do we have resistance on the short side? I should say resistance on the top side. 43.7, 43.54, and I'm going to go with 40.72 on the bottom side. 400, of course, the round number, 42.80 and 42.50 are your support levels for the day. Stock Traders Almanac, got it right here, is 57.1, 57.1, so a slight 7.1 side for today from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you tomorrow.
Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.